Want to change the ringtone on your Redmi Note 17 5G, but don't know where the setting is? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the default ringtone and choose the sound you want. I'll guide you step by step through the settings, show you how to select a different ringtone, and explain how to set your own preferred sound. Stay until the end so you don't miss any important step. After watching this video, you'll be able to change the ringtone on your Redmi Note 17 5G in just a few seconds.